Hey there, Shopify store owner. Do you wish you could improve your online store by offering a more curated step-by-step shopping experience? One that thoughtfully guides your customers through a discovery process, showcasing related products in an organized way? Are you interested in moving beyond the conventional approach of organizing products by just categories and filters? Well, that's exactly the challenge MultiStep Purchase for Shopify was designed to solve. With MultiStep, you can create different shopping pathways that contain multiple steps of products. This novel way of leading a customer shows hand-picked products at each stage as they are guided through the path they selected. Also, for simplicity, you can start a customer's journey at step 1 of a single path, right from the get-go. Let's say, for example, that your store specializes in beauty products. With MultiStep, you can mirror the thoughtful sequence a professional makeup artist might follow. First, your customer picks their desired look, kicking off a personalized product pathway. With every step, customers are introduced to a thoughtfully selected group of products tailored to their needs. Also, as customers explore each path, MultiStep's conditional logic may offer recommended items based on the current step and the contents of their shopping cart. Our step-by-step approach works across virtually any industry. Whether you're outfitting customers with the latest fashion, helping them find the perfect tools for their hobby, or matching them with tech gadgets that work together. And now you have the opportunity to bring this to your store. Discover a new way of engaging with your customers through our 30-day risk-free trial and see the difference MultiStep can have on your store success.